kape. Do you believe in that?
Yes!
Atin po kasi sa kape itong mga ito. Coffee is life. So, we are not here only for the community activity, but we are here to be updated when it comes to gender and development. So, hindi lang ginagawa natin yung sinasabi nila na galugad lang, kasi yung nag-picture, nasa-swimming, and all that. So, the purpose of this is a combination for us to have to unwind ourselves from very stressful work. Diba, Sir Arlie? Inaurasan ako ni Sir Arlie kasi sabi niya, alas 8 daw dapat tapos na daw itong short program natin at naka-swimming track na siya. So, tingnan natin mamaya, ha?
Sana yung maditibok ako nito. Ma'am G, yun na nga eh. Hindi, doon kasi siya nakasakay.
Ang ganda ng mga ano nila, mga cut.
Saan niya kami, ang laki ng dila na ano namin, the red. Yan yung entrance. The entrance is here.
May ano sila yung pang ano talaga siya.
Bye-bye talaga, sir.
Oo.
Tapos pwede kang magdala ng lutuan, ganun-ganun.
Yeah, lakad pa more, picture pa more, video pa more, TikTok pa more.
For glory, the silence shines not news. I cannot run from you, I cannot hide. And I don't see the to try. Can't hide it, can't hide it. So go on, come on, leave me stranded, leave me, dear sea. I